Known for her performances in Bollywood and Tollywood.
We can get a makan on a rent, but we cannot get romance on a rent. So this is the storyline.
Recently, she played a lead role alongside Arshad Varsi and Chunky Pandey. Music India A-list proudly recognizes Nikita Rawal for excellence in acting.
Hello and welcome to NewsX India A-List. I'm Priyanka Sharma and today I'm joined with actor Nikita Rawal. Nikita, welcome to the show.
Thank you so very much, Priyanka. It is looking really, really amazing to see you, and I am feeling really, really well.
Let me start off by asking you about your upcoming film Roti, Kapda and Romance. What is it all about?
This is about comedy movie. The one line story is that it was an old movie earlier with Manoj Kumar, so it was very famous, and the movie name was Roti Kapda and Makan. So nowadays we can get a makan on a rent, but we cannot get romance on a rent. So this is the storyline, and it's comedy movie.
Hmm. How was it working with Arshad Varsi on the film?
It was superbly fantastic, and yes, obviously he is an institute of film industry and comedy zone. So it was fantastic. I've learned a lot from him, and it was amazing experience with him.
Any fun instances that you can share from behind the scenes?
So many. Actually, I'm a vegetarian, and he used to, force me to have a non-veg, or like sometime in a gravy he used to put chicken or mutton or however non-veg. So he pranked a lot on me.
Okay.
So yes, sad experience it is.
Okay, so you have also have had a long career. You've worked in the Hindi film industry and as well as the South film industry. Can you throw some light on your journey till now and how has it been so far?
It's been so nice and graceful because I have done a lot of movie in Bollywood as well as Tamil industry. There is a four language movie also I have done in South industry like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Malayalam. Super experience I had Bollywood and Tollywood. Uh, and also, I have represented India internationally by doing Kathak. I'm a Kathak performer, so I have represented India internationally. So it was also amazing experience for me when you go to like out of India and when you present your country. It is amazing and beautiful things for you. So yes, I feel very proud and also done so many awards, so many movies, so many videos, stage performance. I have done 1478 shows in my 5 7 years career. So it is like amazing. I have been so lucky that I've got so much love from everywhere.
Yeah. This past 1.5 year has been particularly difficult for people around the world. How did you cope with the pandemic and what were some of the key lessons that you learned along the way?
See, this was really, this 1.5 year was really bad for us, like whole world, not like for India or any one particular country or state. It was like bad for whole world. And yes, see, I stay in Bombay and I raised up in Bombay, but my I live in joint family, so for me it was not too much difficult. It was like too much easy because we live in a joint family. There was everything around, so for me it was a good. But then I have done so much social work in this 1.5 year. When I used to go out, when I used to see people, when I used to like see that how they are crying for a food, how they are crying because they live in a very small uh, small house in this slum areas. So they used to cry to go out. There was so uncomfortness. So it was really bad, and I had a really bad experience outwise. My housewise it was a good, but outwise it was a very bad experience. I have learned that you have to be ready for any situation in this world. Anytime, any situation can come in front of you. So
Right.
you have to be ready. And second, the most important things with you in this life is your health. If you're strong, if you're very amazing from inside. If you love your body, I mean, immunity system or other things or exercise or whatever health things you can take. If you do this, then it is amazing. If you don't, if you take it granted your health, then it is bad. So you have to be ready for your mental status and your health wise. I have learned this.
You also mentioned how you helped the community with the COVID-19. Can you elaborate more on that bit? How did you help the community during this difficult phase?
See, I have a foundation called Astha Foundation, and I work for HIV positive kids, and I have adopted 60 HIV positive kids. So you can say I'm a mother of 60 HIV positive kids, and I'm proud of that. And I also, you know that in a Bombay there is a slum areas. So I used to go before COVID or before this pandemic. I used to go. It's been happening since like 7-8 years. So on this pandemic, the more burden was on me, because I thought that everyone is at home and nobody is going out. Everyone is like scared for their self, for their family. But I thought that this is the time that I have to go out and I have to help people. So I went outside. I have helped cops also, sanitizers and other things and foods and slum area people, they were really crying for a food. They were really crying for, see, they don't know, they doesn't know about sanitizer, mask. They were not worried about that, but they were worried about their food, their everyday things. So I went out and I have helped them for a food and so many things. I don't want to like talk about this because I don't like to say that what I have done, but then so many things were there. There were so many admissions for a COVID positive. There were so many things. They were asking for a medicine. They were asking for a fever medicine. So many things, and we have done that. I have my whole team, like 50 women's. I have in my Astha Foundation. So we have helped them.
So, being cooped up inside the house and sometimes looking at a situation like this can take a toll on your mental health. How did you keep your spirits up during this time?
See, my strength is my family, and I have been so lucky in this. I have my friends, a good circle, but this time there was only family, which was like amazing for me. I have spent a lot of time, and we all were like positive on this time because we knew that we have to be positive on this particular you can call 6 months or 8 months. So we were like in house. I was so happy. I was so positive, and we used to have healthy foods and juices and so many foods and yoga exercises. We used to share our things. We used to plan work. We used to plan games, and we used to do so many things. So it was really good experience for me. I mean, like outside experience was bad when I went out for a help for Astha Foundation, but in-house experience was amazing for me.
That's amazing. Before I let you go, I would like to ask you about your upcoming projects. What other projects other than Roti, Kapda and Romance we can expect from you?
I am really doing less nowadays because I thought myself that little pull down, but I'm doing 2 movies in South, which is with the mega star. One web series, few videos are lined up, and events I have started. So doing a few events, and then again I'm doing big movie with one big name, but I cannot disclose right now.
No issues. Well, that's a wrap from our end. Thank you so much for joining us for the conversation.
Thank you so very much, and it was amazing to know you a little bit.
Thank you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.